Excuse me. Hello world. Here is an update. I recently went to Walmart. Well, recently, like 3 weeks ago. Got this off the shelf, or peg, so that was pretty sweet. I got two of them actually. One nice thing, as you probably know, is if you can be able to find stuff you're looking for in the store, you save a lot of money than shopping on eBay. But with COVID and everything out there, I did earlier, just bought stuff online, paid a premium for it. But this was actually at Target exclusive, I guess. Beautiful casting, really neat color. I like the deco, vintage look of the card. When I was at Walmart, I found the Sesto Elemento and the Centenario Roadster. So these were from the J case, it looks like. You could tell which case by the letter at the end of the number on top, or in theory. These are a few of the things that I've paid a premium for. This is the basic version of this car, supposedly. And this one is the chase piece, which is basically just like bare metal with a little bit of detailing with the paint to mimic the Avio. I bought this one a long time ago, right when COVID started, and I didn't think I'd get it for a long time, so I bought another one in the States. Only saving grace was I got two, so I could open one, and different packaging, different boxes. This one says USA exclusive, but it's the same car, different packaging. So is it really limited to 1800? Maybe for this packaging, but who knows how many Mini GT is pumping out. I did get this one, European box, I guess, but I opened that one and there it is. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. Money well spent, in my opinion. I got two more USA exclusives, partly because I live in the US. These are not the chase pieces, but I've been seeing lots of other variations of the same car in white, red, and yellow. Silver wheels, yellow wheels, red wheels, gold wheels. Yeah. This one's pretty neat. It's like a two-tone, so you got this on one side, and it's still in the packaging, but the other side is camo. Almost looks like a cheetah or a leopard from a distance. Pretty cool. This is a Aventador SV by RMZ. I want to say Welly, but variation. Really cool. My color. Love it. I'm going to put it up on not these display cases, but the ones behind me. I've been doing something different over here because I got new display cases, which are now behind me. So I had them going top to bottom, like for the Lamborghini Cheetahs and the Tune cars and the Tomica Countachs and Majorette and Hot Wheels basic. Now I got them going from left to right, but then of course I don't have a full wall length of each model because A, they haven't produced that many, or well, just basically that, or with all the different manufacturers. I do like having the manufacturers of the certain castings done the same, or not done the same, but grouped the same. So that is probably how I'm going to go back to it. Kind of like over here, I didn't really touch these, but these are Matchbox Diablos on the right, and then Hot Wheels on the left, or second one in, and then Random, Welly, and Kyosho, and Tamika, and then Darda. I kind of like that variation, or not variation, but grouping. My dog needs to go out, so I'm gonna go. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care. God bless.